Okay, I don't even want to know how that happened, but you see back here, it's got a little bar you gotta get it in, and this has to be unscrewed to put it back in. I don't know how you got it off, but basically this needs to be unscrewed. Then you're left with this piece in, and if you just push with your thumb backwards, it just pops off. So to put it in, you go underneath and you gotta make sure that end goes in there, and then in the front it just kind of pops into place, and then you just screw it in. So unless there's something broken, it should just screw into place, and then you're back in business. Let me know if that doesn't work.